Hi, so in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create a stunning t-shirt designs in the Canva application. So for that, you need to open your Canva application, then you need to go to search bar and search for uh, t-shirts. Yeah, now you can see here various type of template, 10,000 more than 10,000 templates are available. You can use them to create a t-shirt, to print on t-shirt, okay, whichever you like. Or if you want to edit these templates, you can just easily click on them, or you can just create your own by clicking on create blank, okay. So now if I want to edit any template, I can just click on the template. Then as every video I told you, you can edit everything here, okay. So for example, I want to edit this o, I can just click on o. I want to edit p, I can click on p, okay. You can edit everything here, which is very much customizable. You can even change the background color to red or even green, or anything you want to change the background, okay. So you can fully customize these templates very easily.